Guys, today is February the 25th, 2025, and I got this in the mail. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. So, I got darn good yarn. It says, homemade with love, and darn good yarn, darn good yarn. Woohoo! So, let's open it. And it says, create with purpose. Then when you open it up, here's what it has in there. Now remember, this is a monthly subscription. You can get one scheme for $10, and the shipping and handling is $3.95, so it'll be $13.95. I get 3 schemes, and it's $25. So with $3.95, it's $28.95. And with the 3 schemes of yarn, you get a free item. So here is the book, and it says darn good yarn of the month, and it says Aphrodite Silks, DK weight recycled yarn. And so you can see the pretty picture, and then here it is right there on the back, and it says right here, and then right here. Alright, so it says Aphrodite Silk, DK weight recycled silk. This month's yarn of the month club takes inspiration from the goddess of love, beauty, and passion, Aphrodite. Just like the goddess herself, Aphrodite's silk embodies elegance and allure, with a blend of colors as captivating as the sunset over the Aegean. It's Aegean. Deep, romantic pink intertwined with serene lavenders and soft golden yellows. Creating a palette that feels both vibrant and harmonious. Crafted from recycled silk, this DK weight yarn is a sustainable treasure, perfect for projects that reflect the beauty and essence of the divine. Let Aphrodite's silk inspire your creativity and bring a touch of goddess-like charm to your next masterpiece. Whether you're knitting or crocheting, this luxurious yarn promises to add a pop of color and story of empowerment to your wardrobe or home. By choosing this yarn, you're not only creating something beautiful, but also supporting a sustainable future, just as Aphrodite might nurture the earth with her embrace and care. Join us in celebrating this month's goddess, and let your creativity journey be as timeless as her legend. It says that the knitting pattern is Love's Tapestry Shawl, and it's a skill intermediate. And here's what it looks like. Okay. It says a note for that pattern is you will not be working in the rounds with your circular needle. At the end of each row, turn your work as if working on straight needles. Always slip the last stitch of each row as it is purled. But I'm not good. I don't know anything about crochet. It says anything about knitting. It says crochet pattern is an Aphrodite beach walk shawl. A beach walk shawl. And its skill level is an advance. It says crochet pattern, nail at Frogsmog. It's at Frogshmog. It says material needed: 300 yards of DK weight yarn. Each one of these is 50 grams, 135 yards. So you have enough to do it because you'll have 300 yards. You'll need a 4.5 crochet hook. Adjust hook size if necessary to achieve desired drape. I'll probably use a 5 because I crochet kind of tight. And a tapestry needle. You're going to do a foundation chain, foundation single stitch. You're going to do a chain, a single crochet, a double crochet, a triple crochet, a standing double crochet, and it says a standing double crochet, and a fasten off. Shawl pattern, you're going to do 191, and you're going to do multiples of 1, and then you're going to turn. It says to weave in ends and wet block. The blocking step is really important for this project and truly improves the finished look. Strut your stuff like Aphrodite. Enjoy your beach walk shawl. But here's what it looks like. It looks like something we've already done before, but I'm not for sure. So it says meet the designer, and here is the designer. It says meet the designer. Nell at Frogs Smog. It's at FROGSHMOG. It says Nell, also known as Frog Smog, is a lifelong crafter whose hands are rarely still, whether it's stitching, crafting, or exploring new creative outlets. She's always immersed in multiple projects at once, letting her boundless imagination take the lead. Her love for crafting is matched by her passion for animals, her dedication to yoga, and her encouragement to learn and grow with every new opportunity. As a devoted school mom to her 3 incredible children, Nell embraces every moment of her journey, finding joy and inspiration in guiding their learning and exploration of the world. She sees creativity as a cornerstone of both education and personal well-being, making her home a hub of artistic discoveries and connection. Nell is deeply committed to helping others discover peace and serenity through crafting and community. And it says join the Yarn of the Month Facebook group, early access on sales, special bundles, savings, connections, shares, and show-offs. And here, if you would like to do that. And then that is all that's in there. Now let's see the yarn. So here is the yarn. You can see the pinks. I can't really, on the screen you can't really see the yellow or the lavender, but this is very pretty yarn. It's not as soft as I thought it would be, but sometimes it's not because sometimes it's wound kind of thick, some kind of tight. But here is what it looks like. Now you can kind of see the colors. Now, I'm not worrying about doing it back up. But it says, darn good yarn. Yarn of the month. Aphrodite silk. DK weight recycled silk yarn. It says it is a 3-ply DK weight. It says needles are 4 and crochet hook is, looks like a 5. But it says 50 grams, 135 yards. It says hand wash. Laid it out to dry. Do not iron. And no dot lot. It's all hand dyed. And then inside of it just talks about what was inside the booklet. You know, Aphrodite silk. Aphrodite silk is a luxurious DK weight yarn made from recycled silk, blending sustainability with beauty. Its soft yet sturdy texture makes it perfect for a variety of projects, from lightweight garments to cozy accessories. The colorway is a romantic fusion of deep pinks, soft lavenders, and delicate light yellows, reminiscent of a dreamy sunset over the sea, with a gentle sheen and a rich, multi-tonal depth. This yarn brings warmth, elegance, and a touch of goddess-like charm to every stitch. Did you know your subscription does more than just support our artisans? We work with the schools to make sure they have the proper tools and supplies to provide an education for children in India. So that is that, and that is that. And then, so I got 3 skeins, so there's enough to make that shawl. And then the free item is this right here. And it is a, my stomach's gurgling. It is a key ring. And it's got a hook. And it's got the key deal. And then this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? If I carried a purse, I'd probably have this like hanging from the purse, you know, mostly for Valentine's Day. So, this is what we got for the month of February. This year, last year we did countries, and this year we're doing goddesses. So, don't know what next month will be. We should all take a guess what goddess it might be. You know. Alright. I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Love you, and bye.